welcome back all. Hello Nepal, Sanche Ononcha, Namaste, peace from Africa guys. Welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi. This is Nepal thakali guys. For the first time ever guys. First Guido with the chicken.
It's like 5 minutes down.
Guido with the chicken.
Every day it gets cleaner and cleaner.
Guys, actually in Africa we have something similar like this. We call it asida, like it's a Sudanese stuff. They make it same way, but for us we use maida. We use maida and also we use the wheat flour, atta.
Second day, it will get on the fire. Third day, it's a greens mix fire. Fourth day, 1 meal, you have a 1 cup rice, the golden on the fire.
Guido with chicken, so perfect guys, so nice. I love it, and I also love to eat curd